Now come to exercise 12.2. Say question number 1. Simplify combining like terms. See the solution. First part, it is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Here collect the like terms, that is 21b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32. Here in first three terms, take b common. What will you get? 21 plus 7 minus 20 b minus 32. Now solve the bracket. 21 plus 7, it is 28 minus 20 b minus 32. Now again solve the bracket. 28 minus 20, it is 8b minus 32. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Here write like terms together. It is 7z cube. You have to write the highest power first. Minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z minus 15z. Here we have written like terms together. Now solve this. 7z cube plus, here take z square common. What will you get? Minus 1 plus 13 z square. Again take z common. You will get minus 5 minus 15 z. Solve this. You will get 7z cube plus minus 1 plus 13, it is 12 z square plus minus 5 minus 15, it is minus 20 z equal to 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. This is your answer. Now come to third part. P minus within the bracket P minus Q minus Q minus within the bracket Q minus P. Here open the bracket first. It is P. Here before bracket there is a minus sign. The sign will be changed in bracket. It will become minus P plus Q minus Q. Again there is a minus sign before bracket. The sign of terms within the bracket will change. It will be minus Q plus P. Here, if like terms have opposite sign, that is plus minus, they will be cancelled. That is plus P and minus P, we can cancel it because 1 minus 1, it is 0. Here plus P and minus P, we can cancel it. Here plus Q and minus Q, we can cancel it because both are like terms and signs are different. What we are left with? It is P minus Q. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. 3A minus 2B minus AB minus within the bracket A minus B plus AB plus 3AB plus B minus A. Here first of all open the bracket. We will get 3A minus 2B minus AB. Here before bracket there is a minus sign. Sign will be changed. It will be minus A plus B minus AB plus 3AB plus B minus A. Here collect the like terms. 3A minus A minus A. Then minus 2B plus B plus B. Then minus AB minus AB plus 3AB. We have written like terms together. Now solve it. 3A minus A, it is 2A. 2A minus A, it is A. Write down A. Then minus 2B and B plus B, it is plus 2B. Then minus 2AB plus 3AB. minus AB, it is minus 2AB plus 3AB. Now solve this. Here minus 2B and plus 2B, it will be cancelled because both are like terms and their sign are different. If like terms have different sign, then they are cancelled. What is left? It is a here minus 2AB plus 3AB. Minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. 1AB, we don't write 1. Simply write plus AB. This is your answer. Come to fifth part. 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. Here collect the like terms. You will get 5x square y plus 3yx square plus 8xy square minus 5x square plus x square minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square. Now solve it. It will be in first two terms, take x square y common. You will get 5 plus 3 x square y plus 8xy square plus in next two terms take x square common. What will you get? Minus 5 plus 1 x square plus now take y square common. What will you get? Minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 y square. Solve the brackets. 5 plus 3, it is 8 x square y plus 8 xy square minus 4 x square minus 5 plus 1, it is minus 4 plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 3, it is minus 7 y square. Now open the bracket. You will get 8x square y plus 8xy square minus 4x square plus minus minus 7y square. This is your answer. Now come to sixth part. Within the bracket 3y square plus 5y minus 4 bracket close minus again bracket 8y minus y square minus 4 bracket close. Here first of all open the bracket. We will get 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Here before the bracket there is minus sign. The sign will be changed. It will be minus 8y plus y square plus 4. Now collect the like terms. It is 3y square plus y square plus 5y minus 8y minus 4 plus 4. Now take y square common. We will get 3 plus 1 y square plus again take 5 common 5 minus 8 y, and here minus 4 and plus 4 will be cancelled because they are same numbers with opposite sign. Now open the bracket. We will get 3 plus 1 4y square plus 5 minus 8, it is minus 3y. Now open the bracket. 4y square plus minus minus 3y. This is your answer.